Hi everyone, it's Lynnea. Today I am honored to be part of the Eating Disorder Awareness Card Hop. So as I start making this card, it's very easy to make, so I'm just going to kind of talk a little bit about the card hop today. Eating disorders are complex mental illnesses that have physical manifestations. There are a lot of myths, a lot of misconceptions surrounding eating disorders, and the goal of today's card hop is to bring crafters together and end the stigma around eating disorders and just kind of bring some awareness to eating disorders. So you are going to see inspiration along the top, and we are all going to be using the color purple. This is the color for eating disorder awareness. So for my card today, I'm going to be doing some ink blending and some die cutting using the color purple. Again, as I get started, I just want to mention that there are some giveaways along with this hop, so check out the video description below for more information on that, as well as to links to the products that I've used in my card. So let's start off here. I am currently working with the LDRS Creative with All My Heart stencil, and I'm using some inks over the top. Mine are from LDRS Creative. That's just because I love their inks and these colors, but use whatever inks that you like the best. I used Grape Ape and La La Lavender. I wiped off my stencil, but I kept it in place, and now I'm going to add some Gina K Designs Gold Glitz Glitter Gel. I usually prefer to work with a stencil pal, but today I'm using a smaller, regular palette knife because I just want the glitz glitter gel to be at the bottom and to kind of fade off towards the bottom 1/3 of the card. So you see me adding this on, and then it's just going to fade off towards the top. Now I do want to mention and recommend that if you're going to add a kind of liquid medium like a glitz glitter gel over the top of inks, use a hybrid ink. Otherwise, your inks will react with that gold glitz glitter gel, and you may not be able to put your excess gel back into the container. I'm keeping this card simple, and I have die cut the Love You die from LDRS Creative. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for this. I'm not sure how that happened, but I cut out this word die from both black cardstock as well as a light purple foam, and I glued the letters together, kind of offset them so that you can see that purple foam peeking out. This provides a drop shadow as well as dimension. I'm going to add my Ultra Bond liquid adhesive and just glue these letters together. Now usually I use the negative piece to help me align my letters to get them perfectly positioned, but because I offset the foam behind my letters, I wouldn't have been able to remove that negative piece. So I just kind of stuck my glue through and added glue in the negative pieces and added my positive pieces on top of that. To finish off the card, I'm adding some liquid pixie dust, which I keep in this paintbrush, over my letters, and that's going to finish this simple card. So remember that this card is part of the Eating Disorder Awareness Card Hop. You're going to see lots of inspiration using the color purple, but I do also want to remind you about eating disorders, and the whole point of this hop is to kind of end the stigma around this and bring attention to these disorders that are very prevalent but not talked about a lot in our society. So if you have questions, there is more information about this hop in my video description below, as well as links to products that I've used and instructions on how to win the giveaways. So thank you all so much for watching. The link to the next person in the hop is in my video description below. Thank you for watching. I will see you again very soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.